Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh Sunil Take and today I am telling about GT mini project is done by Jay Thakkar, Aditya Vairat, Ritesh Take and Yash Patharwad. Introduction. A landslide is a downward or outward movement of soil, rock or vegetation under the influence of gravity. Factor of safety. F is equal to resisting force. When F is greater than 1 is equal to landslide occur. Resisting force are prevention down the slope are inversely heel slope angle and directly proportional to the friction angle of the material. In addition, the resisting force can be significantly reduced in the case rain or earthquake vibration. Three distinct physical events occur during a landslide: the initial slope failure, the subsequent transport, and the final deposition of the slide material. Types of landslide. Total 6 types of landslide. The speed of the movement range from very slow rapid. The speed of the landslide will make an even more or less avoidable and therefore more or less risky. It is important to distinguish the different type of landslide to be able to understand how to deal with each of them. Next, tell Jay Thakkar about soil ability.
Slope stability. Slopes either occur naturally or are engineered by humans. An understanding of geology, hydrology, and soil properties is central to applying slope stability principles properly. Analysis must be based upon a model that accurately. Slope stability problem is the greatest problem faced by the open pit mining industry. The scale of slope stability problem is divided into two types: gross stability problem and local stability problem. It refers to large volumes of material which come down the slopes due to large rotational types of shear failure, and it involves deeply weathered rock and soil. Local stability problem. This problem, which refers to much smaller volume material, and these type of failure affects one or two benches at a time due to shear plane jointing, slope erosion due to surface drainage. Types of rock slope failures. Failure in earth and rock mass, plane failure, wedge failure, circular failure, toppling failure, rock fall. Failure in earth, rock fill and spoil dumps and embankments. Circular, non-circular, semi-infinite slope, multiple block, plane wedge, log spiral, flow size and mud flow, cracking, cooling.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.